Hello everyone and welcome to Matrix Tech Pro Lab. I'm Abdul, founder of Matrix Tech, where I share practical cybersecurity knowledge through hands-on labs and real-world demonstrations. In today's lab, we are going to learn how to secure a mobile device by applying important security settings that help protect business data from unauthorized access. Let's get started. Imagine you're working as a security analyst for a company. One of the employees, the receptionist, uses an iPad every day to manage employee schedules, company messages, and other business information. Since this device contains sensitive company data, it's important to secure it properly. In this lab, my goal is to strengthen the security of the iPad by improving its authentication settings and enabling additional protection in case the device is lost or stolen. These may seem like small configuration changes, but together they greatly improve the security of the device. To begin, I open the Settings application. Settings, where we manage almost every security feature on the device, including passwords, privacy, network settings, permissions, and authentication options. From here, I select Touch ID and passcode because that's where the device's security settings are configured. Before allowing me to make any security change, the iPad asks me to enter the current passcode. This is an important security feature. Imagine if anyone could simply pick up the device and change its password or disable its security settings. Requiring the current passcode ensures that only an authorized user can make these changes. After entering the passcode, I can see the current security settings here. I notice that the device is currently configured to require the passcode after 1 hour of inactivity. I also see that the iPad is using a simple 4-digit passcode here. While these settings provide some protection, they're not strong enough for business environment where sensitive information is stored. Now, I'll improve the first security settings. I select require passcode and change the timeout from 1 hour to 5 minutes. Why is this important? Imagine an employee leaves the iPad on a reception desk and walks away. If the device stays unlocked for an entire hour, someone could easily access company emails, documents, or other confidential information. By requiring the passcode after only 5 minutes, the device locks itself much sooner, reducing the chance of unauthorized access. Next, I disable the simple passcode option. A simple passcode usually consists of only 4 numbers. It's quick and convenient. It's also much easier for an attacker to guess or crack. Disabling the option allows users to create a much stronger passphrase using letters, numbers, and additional characters. Longer passwords are much harder to break and provide significantly better protection against brute force attacks. Next, I change passcode. Before creating a new one, the device asks me to enter the current passcode again, which is 3141. This extra verification helps prevent unauthorized users from changing the device's authentication settings. Now I create a new, stronger passphrase and then enter it a second time to confirm it. A strong passphrase is much more secure because it contains more characters and is significantly harder to guess than a simple 4-digit PIN. Using a strong password is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve endpoint security. Finally, enable the Data option. This feature tells the iPad to automatically erase all data after 10 incorrect passcode attempts. So we click to enable. Why is this useful? If the device is ever lost or stolen, someone might repeatedly try different passcodes to unlock it, the stored data after 10 failed attempts. This helps protect sensitive company information from falling into the wrong hands. So our mobile device is now much more secure. We have reduced the time before the device locks itself. We have replaced a weak passcode with a strong one. We have disabled simple passcodes, and we have enabled automatic data protection after repeated failed login attempts. Let's check the lab score now. So here we got a 100 score again. Each of these changes adds another layer of security, making it much more difficult for an attacker to gain access to company information. One important lesson from this lab is that cybersecurity isn't only about protecting servers or networks. Every smartphone and tablet connected to an organization is also an endpoint that must be protected. Many organizations rely on mobile devices every day, and if one of those devices is compromised, it can expose sensitive business data, customer information, or even provide attackers with access to internal system. That's why simple security settings like strong passwords, automatic screen locks, and data protection features play an important role in reducing cyber risk. At Metrics Tech, my goal is to make cybersecurity practical and easy to understand through hands-on demonstrations like this one. If you would like to learn more about cybersecurity, explore additional labs, or follow my journey, you can visit my website at Metrics Tech. Thank you for watching Metrics Tech Pro Lab, Secure a Mobile Device. I hope you found this lab both informative and practical. If you enjoyed this demonstration, follow Emetrix Tech for more hands-on cybersecurity labs, technical tutorials, and practical learnings. I'm Abdul, founder of Emetrix Tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lab.